Hello everyone. Are you planning to make your ever first YouTube channel but don't know which niche should be the best fit for you? And if you are looking for a niche that can really help you grow your channel within short, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to discuss about 3 niches that can really help grow your channel within fast, ensuring a substantial revenue. And I'm going to also analyze some analytics from related videos so that you can get the information and data you need, and you get some motivation as well to create your own channel right from tomorrow. So stick around the video and I will show you everything in the screen. So let us just jump into the screen so that I can break it down for you. Okay, let's just start it. So the very first niche we are talking about, which is health and benefit. And the channel we have landed called Rabata's Gyms. It's really a popular channel, and I think you might have heard of it. And started the journey on, let's check out when this just joined. Okay, they joined in April 10, 2015, and it is almost 10 years of journey. And throughout these 10 years, what they have got 6.57 million viewers. Guys, it's not a joke. They are making these kind of subscribers out of 2.3k videos, so which is cool, and this is something really inspirational. And look what they are doing. They are not doing something really rocket science. They are just making videos out of their topics. They select some topics and they they have some cool and eye-soothing, eye-catching, I think, thumbnails and descriptions. Let's check some of their titles. 16 intense fat burning exercise for a flat belly and trim waist, and exercise and lose up to 5 kg 30 days at home fitness challenges. So these are some very common topics. There is very common queries. People who are really concerned about their health, they used to search this kind of queries, and channels like Rabata's Gyms are generating millions and millions of views out of these queries. So you can do the same as well if you want to. It's all about just planning and designing your videos in the right way and creating the thumbnails in a very attractive way so that you can grab the attention from your viewers. Okay, and think about that. When it is 2015, they didn't have that much of sophisticated tools and AI platforms like we are having. So this is not going to be very hard and challenging for you. It's all about planning and designing the topics using ChatGPT and Gemini and some other chatbots you can use. And all you need to do, you have to just use some video making platforms or image generating platforms where you just instruct the platform to make the animations and image. All you need to do is to put the proper prompt and you will get whatever you want. And for voiceover, you can use your own voice if you want. You just read out the script, or if you have knowledge about it, practical knowledge, then you can do your own voiceover. And also, which is the very sensitive part about the niche, if you are not expert on the topic, on the information you are sharing, don't just do that. If you doing this, if you share something misleading, then there is a high chance you will get banned. So this is really important to keep in the mind, that you don't share anything that is misleading, that is harmful to the viewers. Here, all you need to do is to research some topic and know some facts and check the validity, and then create the video, design your topic and share with your audience. And if your audience have some benefits out of your information, they will definitely stay connected with your channels. And this is how you can make authentic money sharing some or helping people out there. So this is the cool part. You see, there's a video they just dropped one day ago, and they have already generated 9.5k views with one day. So you don't have to think about the viewers and all this. It's all about just having the right process and following the right strategy. And as I said, these niches are really cool because even if you are not getting that much views, you are still able to generate modest amount of revenue. Okay, this is all about Rabata's Gyms and health and benefit. Let's move to our next topic and niche, which is about history and documentary. Okay, let's just get in. So history is something people always want to explore. They want to look back and know about the events that happened in the past. There are some major events like World War II and the Russia Revolution and French Revolution. And it's not just the biggest events. There are some also underrated events. People used to search to know about the true facts. They want to figure out, they want to reveal, they want to explore the mystery to know that true fact. So you can take the responsibility to show them visually, but there are some, tips and strategy you need to follow. So let's check out the channel, which is called Alternative History Hub, and I have recently explored some of their videos to know their concept, how they present their videos. So I'm going to share it with you. So here you see we have landed on Alternative History Hub. Let's check out when this started the journey. Okay, they joined on YouTube on December 26, 2012. Yes, it's been long because it's more than a decade that you see. They have got 2.42 million subscribers, and the kind of video they used to share is not about just a biggest historical event. They kind of set what if type scenarios. So we all have what if type scenarios sometimes when we think about what if the world didn't exist, what if the World War II didn't happen, what if Trump and Putin become friends? What if Kim Jong-un and Trump don't have any conflict between them? So there's lots of what if question we have ourselves as well. So you can make your topic out of your curiosity as well to share with your audience. So be authentic, be organic. Don't just try to be super complex. You can be your resource to come out with new ideas and innovation. So you see their videos are not something that super hard to make, and this is not something that you can make yourself as well. This is really simple. They select a topic, they research it, and they just they have some fragmented scenarios themselves, and they organize it, they precise it, and they create the characteristics, and they know what kind of visuals and what kind of character might get the attention from the audience. So you have to figure out your own way, your own style. So let's just check there some analytics. So you see the total views, I can't even count it. You see yourself and subscribers, and the last 28 days they got, my goodness, 2 million views last 20 days, guys. This is really crazy. And they didn't drop any subscriber, or it is zero. And estimated revenue is 5.3k to 14k in last 20 days. You see, guys, this is something really making me crazy, I think. And total revenue, you see, then they have made, this is really something inspirational, and I'm really loving it, loving the channel, the way they design their concept, design their video is really cool. And last 3 months, if you see, oh my goodness, 6 million views in last 3 months. This channel is based on US, and yeah, they're making super high revenues. And if you're wondering that whether you can make that kind of huge audience and revenues, don't think about it at the very beginning. When you start your journey, don't think about the revenues and views. You can make it, believe me, but all you need to do is to collect the data and information, and you have to research the kind of topic you need to show your audience and design them, organize them in a way so that you can have similar kind of attention. And once you have the attention and once you get the trust from your audience, your channel will definitely grow itself. You don't have to put anything else. All you need to do, just do your job and collect the data and information and select the topic, and you're gonna make it. So our final and third niche is motivation. So whenever it comes to motivation, one thing must pop up in your mind, which is whether we need motivation ourselves, because sometimes we feel down, we feel sometimes stressed and depressed, and it happens to everyone. So if you are trying to make a channel on motivation, you yourself ask that if you need motivation, how can you motivate people out there who are seeking motivation and help to get rid of their problems? Okay, you don't have to be worried about it, because you are not someone skilled, someone expert in this niche or in this sector. But what you can do, you can collect information, you can explore all the information and data available online. You can collect them, you can accumulate and integrate all the information in your channel so that people can get help or people can get solution from your videos. So what I'm trying to focus in, your video must have some practical value, must have something that has the real value so that people can get what they want. So let's talk about the channel on motivation I have explored, which is, it's called Daily Motivation. Here in the channel you have got a whole lot of videos on different topics. It's not just common motivational quotes, and you have got so many videos, especially short videos on platforms like YouTube, Instagram and TikTok as well. But this is kind of different because they present their topic really different way and interesting way. People, they know how to attract the people, and that is why they are here today. So let's check their journey. So they joined on October 14, 2016. Yeah, this is also quite long, and they got 2.6 million subscribers, and they have also TikTok channels and Instagram. So let's check the analytics. Yeah, this is quite significant. The total views and subscribers, you see, and it's a Spain-based channel. And in last 28 days, they have got 110k views. They has dropped some subscribers in last 28 days as well, and which is not good for a channel. But when you look at the revenue part, you will get surprised that they're starting to get more $26 from last 28 days. And the status is really high in just May 12th. The statistical data, they have something green, that means the channel is growing really fast, and here the subtotals, total views and everything. So yeah, they are making somewhere $33 to $83, which is not bad in 28 days. It's really good. And in the last 3 months, they have got a little bit downgrade. Like it happens for a YouTube channel. Sometimes you grow, sometimes you get a little bit drop. It happens, it's natural. But overall, the scenario is really good. The overall, their estimated revenue is really good, $128 to $278 last 90 days, which is not bad. But I think if you think about the revenue and all the views, then you're not gonna serving your purpose in the best way, because whatever you do, you have to have the passion. Whatever you do, you have to have the target to present something, to give something, to provide something in your audience which has real value, which can help them get rid of their problems. And if they can, they will definitely subscribe and stay with your channel to grow it, to make it grow faster. Okay. So here's the whole analytics. You can also explore some other channels and similar kind of channels. There are lots of channels, and the type of video they make are kind of really interesting. For example, here you see a title first. Okay, I don't know what is in the video, but the title is really attracting. They just put a single word and change the whole view. Like here's a title. You see, this is all for those who. Stop there. This is a very simple line. This is all for those who what? They add a word, walk alone. So these walk alone terms or what change the whole temptation, whole temperature. Walk alone means someone is, trying to solve his problem alone. No one is around him. He is feeling quite helpless and alone. But they are doing something in this video which is really I think effective for those who are trying to solve their problem by themselves. So this is how you can put some words or terms that has some inner meaning, some sort of underlying urge, so that people can jump and start watching it, because you are reading their mind. When they find themselves, when they can relate their problem with your video, they will definitely watch it. They will definitely stay with your videos. So that's all about motivation. So if you're thinking that you are trying to do something different, then this niche can be a good option for you. So guys, if you feel that you are still hesitating and you're stuck at a point to create your own very fast YouTube channel, then I hope this video helps you, because here in this video I have shown everything, every details and analytics, and I have shared 3 fundamental niches that can really help you to grow your business, grow your channel, because all you need to do is to collect the authentic information, share data with your audience so that they can get some benefits from your channel. And if they get the benefit, they will definitely stay with you and they will definitely help you to grow your channel really fast. Okay, so if you like the video, if you think that this video helps you to motivate you to create your channel, then hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I will definitely catch you in the next one. Bye bye.